restoration, restoration, restoration.
Noun. 1.
The reign of Charles II in England, 1660 to 1685.
2.
The act of restoring something or someone to a satisfactory state.
3.
Getting something back again.
4.
The state of being restored to its former good condition.
Listen and practice.
The restoration looked exactly like the original. The restoration looked exactly like the original. A restoration comedy. A restoration comedy. They also visit the sick and work on building, painting and other restoration projects in the community. They also visit the sick and work on building, painting and other restoration projects in the community.
Restoration.